That this one is the highest witchcraft. We call it Denga Munopaso Sabanle. It is the highest witchcraft. And this one we call it Kabishi Munopa Kubia. The mother is in the room, but I bear the son closer to me. This one, Volley Munopa Alison. It was given.
Enuanam na adofo no munim se msonfo Nancy Brown ni na ba bia me wo bia no na munim se feel ame de ba no eja na enne pa se munim asem de da me de ba enka wafra wo nuanam na wo ma me wabusuafo nyina na mo hia na mo abehwe asem ame de ba na mo be kae emre bia me ne opening kese bi hia e ama me ne twetwe nkomo na eno akire no ensem bebre koso na enunti na ne ya sanso ababiem se ye ne no ebe twetwe nkomo ahwe se de enema siko nsem a ye tete fa ne ho ene niema nti no ye ba na ya nkasa ye sika kwakum ye gene kwakuanum ye ba abeti afri na no na enne opening kase ye ne na hia no me say ese wani ensa okache eye Chief Nazeli. Aha, minim say wuti di no ankasa hu say yeah, because opening we there. Oye na dwuma say ni okana na enti no ne ye ne no ahia ye betwetwe nkomo afansem bi hu enti no say wuti menka me hyew nyabotre na hweye ekosi awie nana ye sanso ahia bi me didi say enne be ye ase pepepepe na mele ohia ya ye twetwe nkomo na ensem bebre na abana me ba ha koye no me hu reaction ekoso a eni se nyankofo di hu adanse eni nyuma pa wo ya eni nti na wo se me sanso eba biem esanse ejuma pa wo ya e wo se yetimi bo ho da ruma amanfo eti na omutimi ba wo hye yeso na nana ensem bi koso pa wo se me bisa wo ho asem eni se na nsan mu yeti se eye akonfo na malamfo a omaba omagidin so ebi mu ehye nkofo ebi mu kutupa ema omukọ ekodi bone enti me pese me bisa wanne se waso ne so a anasa sansem na ekokokoko so no edi enti ena man koso wakoye opening kesi a wo so woni nananom na ye adwuma yi edi enti pa na sa ne ma no etime ekoso
me ndem chani pa bia de no mo hweme ene ni pa bia de o man ma hweme me chire me fa me kasa bia ko komani pa bia de no mo hweme fidie so asem de na obisa ye na anokre maybe woni nipa de na mo ye adwuma me mo ye nipa ba ko na mo ye adwuma in terms of spiritual aspect, in terms of doctrine aspects. Spiritual aspect also have a doctrine aspect. One through doctrine aspect, as a spiritualist, you can never do the right work. Maybe most times, nipa de nomo ye juma we a lack of trust and a lack of belief. And a nipa de no koko share ajitumino, nipa na mfatumini, anu kradi amano. One man to me papa. And the time they make us say what me fidie so any program. Your money can buy power. Your strength can buy power. It's only by faith and due to the way you place yourself, you present yourself to the person who give you the spirit. Nipa de no be fa onwa de amano. Nipa no person first 2 million nyina de amao be fa de amao. On person fa de amao. So most time the name we ni nyina si ni nyina ya no kure. Anokure ni wo bibia nti yentimi nye anokure. Ana anokure ni wo so yentimi ko enim. Because obi baba won chen. Nipa no be fa anokure de aba won chen. At the end of the day, won ye djuma papa de amano. And bibia ye be yesu, we commence it into the hands of God in terms of spiritual aspect. So nipa bebre omonim say djuma no. Even when nipa ye djuma. Now when him says baby na baba duru no, you can't help the person again. You tell the person the truth. Even when you take your patient to the hospital, the doctor has the knowledge to heal the person. But if God say no, there's nothing the person can do. So most times we spiritualists, we work in hand with. Most times you can take your patient to the doctor and the doctor will take the person back home. Funny panu go fie. And your hospital assem, it is a spiritual aspect.
Yeah.
Why do the doctor say that? Because his aspect of knowledge has finished. You have to bring the person to the spiritual aspect to see whether a solution can come. So most nipa bebre omoni mweni nyina. So at the end of the obeka je say nipa say Ombema nipa no dula, nipa no koko dula, nipa no aye dula no at the end of the day is a problem aba. Nipa no won ye won sa. And o kanye say koko ye say, na nipa no koko at the end of the day, na mfa asepampa ade aba. So at the end of the day, you the spiritualist, they will not take you, only accept only you as the spiritualist. Ombefa nipa biya, because when you do bad thing, they clarify everybody as one. And in Emma winning in a SCA we are saying.
It's for send a chief SCA was sick but a career Dawson, Tiamay Bukremo papa. A son says, so call Ebia Malan Biwa Nasa Comfort Biho, Nasa Sumi no baby or G and say, New to say another 8 year or better down. Or catch us a corner bra, where you wait. Everyone catch us a corner go bitty bra. No one said your casa and Hubabo. Into we Johnny. Now also know you are desperate for the money. Until over until patches say it is not Omunina, any Omunina, Tizana Natu, the Minjim is a bibisa, a posso I want an as soon as so. Now say a new cassa as our friend Anna. Friend Anna was 054 0222 442. Which screen is so a number in the buzo. Fa, not friend Anna, now we're in to como. And Anna, let me twice to be moi. Na me pese me bisa asem bi a me ankasa na matete bebre esan se me nam kromo na nkofo bisa me Nancy Brown papa ya wokoko interview ni che se oye eniema kese wotamale kurodua mu a yenni kwan the grunti a woye esan se wona woye the first person e bia woye spiritualist you are doing such thing and say nana mate se nansan wokum na ntwe kese wachiche edi amankofo wonnam na wo ya adoye edi enti because I know they mean Jimmy say mean time will be enti no na wo first person na mahu say wo yes anti person be say edi enti e na ma wo yes adoye ni na no kra na
to bring us long life, prosperity, riches, success and a blessing of year, so that this year that is going to come will bring us money, blessings and long life. The drop of this animal that the Zurich Brotherhood has provided for should promote unity, success and blessing. All what they have desire should be granted to them. Maybe both later of our grandfathers, maybe in terms of both Quran and in Bible. Almost say Sadaqah. In Muslim, your friend is Sadaqah. Sadaqah is an upper hand, getting closer to God. If you are fond of doing sadaqah, you lift your status up in front of God. God says that anytime when you make somebody happy, He makes you happy more than the way you are. So it says, "Tambia mitina na mi misem mitumi we no omupe amambre na ma ya amambre di ama." I'm only me can consume the full cow. The only I give to my people. Somebody sitting in his house, even the Nobenyadi or Nibi, even what to buy meat even is a difficult. People take meat once in a Christmas year. In a Christmas time that you get meat to eat. People take meat when the salad is due. But when he's sitting in his house and you present meat to him, the happiness that he will get at that moment, God will triple that happiness back to you. And you'll get it. Even if somebody comes to you with his problem, whatever the person will say, the work that you are doing, God should bless the work. I'm telling you, that is the time God will pick it. And everything that you do for any human being who come to you, it will be the best way.
It's here for someone wati. Afina nanu. Na na party say wo se wo ma wonu atwedu a wo so ntwankro. Na na kire se bibi ba ne nsam a enye ono nko a na oje ne wo de ahye nafo no ho. Sania oni nipa na ye adwuma no saa na oye adoye edema eye afoforo. Enti wo party se eniema na be bu no so saa na wo so de che se na be ya yankopon se na yankopon ekasa fa adoye ho no. Na yankopon so afa so e de ahira no. Usha nana se mi otie pa utimu se nana de owo wo mantamu ana che se da bia ye bronya because obeku na ntwi sesi ana wetwa bia abrew nana so pa che se enkufo bi wo ha enam keke kra ombenyaare no na ne bia Christmas ana sala enti nana wo mu a na wa ya adoye se na be ya wonni bie no obenya bi enti na meka no nana de oye one touch nana odonipa se nya obo nipa na sa na odonipa enti se wutie mi a onua fanana numbers na the screen so na friend no na woni nana nim komo na nana make won o use WhatsApp enti no friend no wo video call na hu se nana nie o ti ne fie na nsana waba no ho nana de enti ameka asem we ne say empre bebre no enkrofo bebre na nsan ma hu videos bi ekoso edinya hodo Chief Nazale ama nkrofo kra frame bisa me say Nancy na papa ya interview ni ya hu na account bebre wo Instagram, Facebook, Twitter chese ba bia omo nim se nana wo na wo yesa adwuma na anasa obi na afa kwa bi so en wo di wudin e di yesa niema no chese they are fake news all over about you.
Ma asem we no Martin asem we no bebre. Even my reporting e wo police station CID nyina, but then everyone say we adwuma pa, you don't always expect only you. Maybe the bad ones also come out. So if the bad ones come out, I'm telling you, there is only one sacrifice me beti maye. Amamre baku. I'm telling you, and everybody will go to sleep. Whoever is behind it and never wake up. But when you do it, what will you get at the end of the day? Won't me bibia. So the only time I always tell them, when you call me on my number, call me on a video call, so that I will tell you I'm the one before we commence into work. Yeah, mama, maybe nippon ma call type Chief Nazale on Facebook. Bebre ewo. But the only thing I know is that sometimes people my friend me said, it's your boy. The person said that your boy, na me ka me ni boy bia. Me na me ye me juma. It is not a school that you go and attend. When in terms of spiritual, it's not an education. You go to school and go and learn. And yes, sir, no boy, it's a fitting shop. You go and learn, you have a boy. And yes, sir, if I don't give the spirit to my boy, how can my boy possess it? Never. No. It's only if the spirit descends on him, that is where he can perform all what he can do. But this moment, who call Facebook, nipa bebre, omu you see me number, nipa omu you see me pictures. But at the end of the day, if somebody can call me, somebody's calling my money, $2,000, $100, I say that it is the work of God. God said that your feeding is in the hands of the person. Or the person feeding is in the hands of you. Yes. So give it to God. That is the only thing we can charge the money for. Because the body guy is can. So we'll give it to God. That's all. Let's think of forward. And then you know.
Nana, se nana yo ba nkame. Me friend no ba tampa. Nana say se nkrofo na wo mudi ni din ni pictures e dey fake e dey jinkrofo sika no nana could just say something na chese wo da kra won sorry na so san se wo gini nipa ho na opese oboa nipa nti no o se wo de a chew enti onua se wo na wo ye sa ade na jai e san se nana hu mframa kra na bibi betimi ayew nana so e pa kire se hwe spiritual adwuma we won e yo frɛ say your friend no we betimi aye miss call e betimi aye miss call wo beba na aye miss call da ho nana e pa che say obi wo ho anu wa frɛ and nana calls and your boy said wo ne ne ye adwuma spiritual it doesn't transfer like that nana de no e genuine and don't let anybody tell you that I'm Nana's boy, I'm working with Nana. No. E was a friend Nana nkasa I will not mess na go screen ne so no. Na wono no echiche enkomo. Na Nana, me sanso aba wo nchen biem. Eye nansan. Ensem bi koso. Obi a sorry akonfo bi a sorry ahe. Wutimi hu konfo bi na waye no ho yi bi na onenam nkofo afuom, nkofo abusia fie. Na ntokwa esi enne no ochena na abusuafo okontokwa eye efa agudie hu eye sika kokko gold se obi wa agudie e woni fia nana me pese me bisa se sanse nkofo bebre aya wo mu bisa me se na wo kasa nana yewe no se me wa agudie wo mabusua fie na se ye pese ye kotu a nana betini edi anim kan ama yakwa akoye hu adwuma na
ya no kore we nyina ne company anokura kwan so the time the goal was put or and the time that our grandfather and now ubusia form alpha goal that he was at maybe now only ho so the time they were putting it they were having a saying the time they were putting the gold they were having a saying to the ground we don't have bank we don't have anywhere to hide our money. We are giving this money to this land that we live in. Maybe the land was belonged to their grandparents. That is where they gave birth to them. They have a saying unto the land. We are hiding this thing for you to keep it for our entire generation to come. Whoever identified the treasure that we have put here, whoever identified the saying that the land have, maybe the rules that the land have, he can have access to it. So maybe it's not just come and take me to your house. Maybe for my just any part of the land, just find the sun and bring it. I will consult in terms of spiritual aspect and find out if it is them. Maybe I can just say, and you also, if it's not, I'll tell you, and also maybe this was what your father did, or this was what your grandfather did before he kept it there. This is what we are going to do before you can have access. Most times, spiritual men, it kills them. You are not the one that's spiritual, you are not the one who put it inside. You just get them, just peeping gas, you are digging gold. Is that how they dig gold? Are you the one who put it there? And you will not find their show.
Illegal mining. No?
That's illegal mining. You say most illegal miners even come to me. Maybe chief, they say where I am, there is gold. I say yes, there is gold. You can't see it because you are not the one who put it there. And you will not find their show. It belongs to somebody, and you dig and go to that level, that place. It belongs to somebody. So if you want to have access to it, go and find the right owner. If the grandfather, the children are not there, the grandchildren is there. If the grandchildren are not there, there are also grandchildren. So go and identify them and bring them before they will give you the belief and the trust that they have given you to go ahead. Before we can get it, otherwise we'll do and we'll tired. We'll chop your mother. We'll do sacrifice. You do sacrifice up and down, and you never get anything. But if you follow the right channel, I bet you will get and you get and you get, and all their generation also get up and get the money, and we'll all enjoy.
Etiefo mo hwe senia nana kasa ya chese o maye ensem a ya nkasa ye nanwene ho da na chese nka ntete no na ye nananum bank ye ne ye wo Bank of Ghana na omo bank ya asase ya enti se abusuan gudie wo kwa wo mo de kwa no mo kansem akantam agu asase no so se ji ne fa kora maye enti se wo pese wo fa sa gudie no na se wo nim nipa wa ben na odi no kore na onim ensem a ye ka kira asase na nipa kro no wo kwa menua obedi usika kwa na waka che o se kona bra sa na usika na kam enti na na kire se wo ba ne nchen a wono obemu akosa asase no so nate e dia ba ama one nananom akasa one nananom kasa no wo kwanya nsem a nananom ekagu eye asase no so ansana amamre bia ne amane e wo ho no moatimi aye ansana motini akotu sikagudie no enti momo bi na da wo se na minim konfo bi wo ha se da konfo no mo adoso dodo obi asori na meye enti nemre no
mentwe wanu angasa maybe last time ba papa bi am in chen e wo gold na asem na ye na ejuma no can you see the more people die in his pit, that is the time he get the gold. Do you know the reason why they are dying? Because it doesn't belong to them. Yes. Most time people can reach 100, 200, and the pit will break on them, and all of them will die. The time they are removing them, that is the time that they will be getting the gold, because the land has taken what they can't replace back. Can you replace him, man? My name is Kojo. If Kojo is gone, can Kwame replace Kojo? So most time that is the reason why that happens at that pit. Those where they are doing the illegal mining, because they don't find out the rightful owner. They want to take it by force, and anything you want to take by force, you have to pay something that you can never return it back. And then you see most time people say your nephew, your cousin will go that is going to illegal mining. At the end of the day, you not come back again. Most time the owner of it, he's sitting in the house, which is Batakali big one. With his car sitting down, he's waiting for his money. But children will be dying. And he will tell you that when they are dying, that is the time he's making money. Yes. On his scan up, whether you are dying or not dying, he's looking for his money. So I send them, no.
Etiefo. Me say enti na nana de. Nana o me checking na nkasa. Nana oba ne nchenya wusunya de. Chese nana o wadwenya nkasa. Nana e pa kire se. Eye galanse na yenuanom free esire mu hakwa na amena kobu ato omoso na enya bibia o. Ena enya sa asase ne na emre nti na ebuo. Enne ne se amamre ne amane e wo kwa e wo so mo ya ansa na mo agura ho no. omo nye enti omo anya sa no mkogura ho a enti na ya na amena no na abu omo so no mo awu esan say empanifo e ka asem mi se sika ye moja enti je se sika no wanya moja no ansana wode apata ne kra na wa makwan ama manya sika enti no se wo sori na se e bia wo asase na wo pese nkrofo ko ya adwuma wo so a mesrew senya nkrofo wuwo enti no na se bra ne nchen na oni asase no enko ye ho amane mawo ansana nkrofo ma aba be ya adwuma wo so na chese spiritual kra ye wo illegal sana na pa kire senya Ghana man mo ko 2 gold na wa anka aba ntimi be chew no spiritual so ye wo illegal na ne se wa fa kwan ye wo se wo fa so na wodi 2 gold na wa fa sa kwan no so kwan bo no so akotu na nkrofo ma akwawu no enti no se wutie me na wo de fa na numbers na egu screen ne so no wo betinya frɛ na wo no Vodafone line so 050 78500050 wo betinya WhatsApp na wo betimi ne na chat wo betinya video call na wo ne na a video call na wo se na nie wo hwɛ na sa de oti ho ya wo na ni ma wo se na no enti ma obi na da enfa obi picture enfa na ni mu hu bi enhyehyehye niema wo hwɛ na sa na oti ho ya oye clean what wo kama enti no frɛ na wo behu na nkasa na wo ne na didi atwetwe enkomo na otiefo ne ye nkomo twetwe no kyese aye fe na emre ni ho enti no de meka kire wa ne se fa na numbers na frɛ no mele wa nka me fa na numbers na ma frɛ ne sesi a wo de wo hwɛ na frɛ no wo frɛ na ye be daada wa WhatsApp no na se WhatsApp no na enso edika kan asem bi se wo ni Facebook account nana pache wo Facebook account
yeah we need Facebook account
nana ni Facebook account wo ni Twitter account wo ni Instagram account enti se wo ko Instagram Facebook nana se YouTube mbo ebi mo copy na video original video no mo de akoto mo channel so no mo use no mo de fake e de jinkofo sika wo fra yesese ni sei na menye ma na nye sa na de wo frɛ na se no odo nipa no yo ba kampanti na be ma wankasa watutu wonan obekire obaabi owo na wankasa waba ne nchen na wori na twetwe nkomo se na etie na aye de wo pe e de ama o chese me se me ba na nchen aya me hu se nya me nsisi emisa na nsem no enye den ensimfa na so minim se nya nana wo kasa no eto asum me ne wa se wo gold na se wo agudie bi na se nsem bi sa bia wo ho no fa nana numbers na frɛ no na nana no bedi nkomo nana eye chief ensem bi koso we nko ade wo se me bisa wo san bisa obiem enesen enemre pa wo so TV a nana we malam we chief we chese ya bre wo mutimi hwe TV kura mpo a be 5 minutes bia na obi abeda so na so sankrofo ya ene asofofo brana menye se maw brana menye se maw brana benye se ene we busiafo ate wa hye ha chese faking omu fake wankasa wonim sa ade anipa yi kan enye no kre na so na oka eye na nsan we Ghana haya ade bi ko so eye nkola nkitin school fo nkola akotwa wo mu yonkuti se eye konfuo bi se wo mo ntwetire ne mra no onfanye sikaduro mo nana saa semi ni asofofo mo etu egu system ni mu no e di asempa na wo kafa ho eye obia eye wo su ne so ha wo ka che obi se wo nkofa tire mra ansa na wo ye sikaduro ama nana
me chia nipa de na omo hwa me bio ekokopene nipa nkwara mfo de na mo yesa ejuma no maybe they were still key. They didn't know what they were about, and the owner, the spiritualist, who gave them that idea, or maybe the pastor who gave them that idea, it is all irrelevant. Maybe most times in spiritual aspect, we attach it in terms of malam, in terms of pastorship. We all work in hand to each other. You can do your work in spiritual aspect and it needs a malam to pray on it for it to go through. You can do your work in spiritual aspect and it needs a pastor to bless it through and to go through. If there is not a spiritualist, there's no pastor, there's no malam. If there's no malam, there's no spiritual, there's no pastor. If there's no pastor, there's no spiritual, there's no malam. Today you sit today and somebody will do work for somebody and tell the person that go and bring the human being. Human being, and you do what? When you bring human being, I'll run away. For what will I do with human being? It's all ignorance. Maybe Nkorano Maba, maybe they are desperate to have money. Maybe the only idea you can tell them is that maybe let's pray. Let's pray for you so that God will open the chance for riches for you. But if you ask them to go and bring, maybe you collected their money, maybe 2,000. 2,000, how much do I fuel my car a day? How much do I feed people? Maybe we'll call you Gini Panisika. Maybe at the end of the day, you think that where they stay there, you know, lies has an end. When you deceive somebody, it has the stay there to reach. You can't go further. You are choke up. You are locked on the way, like they have put bridge. So when you reach the bridge, you can't cross the bridge. You don't think a bad idea. Somebody called me. That somebody did his work. I asked them that they should go to the graveyard and sleep. And he's afraid that he can't go. If I was, I'll go to the graveyard and sleep. When you go to the graveyard, does the graveyard have impact in the work? When you go to the graveyard to sleep on somebody's grave and the person gets and slap you, what will you tell the person? So that's ignorance. You tell them, somebody will tell you, go and bring human being. You bring human being, now do what? You go and bring human being head. I saw if you cut human being head and put inside room full, it can't give you money. Can't give you money. If you just kill somebody, put the blood on top of full bucket and put inside your room tomorrow, let's say 10 blood. Can it 10 money? Just say, take it example. Fakuko, go and buy sheep, go and buy goat. Cut the blood, put inside bucket, go and put it in your room. Tomorrow when pray, tomorrow I want the blood to 10 money. Go and buy. Can it 10 money? It can never 10 money. It's all ignorance. So most time of these spiritualists and the pastors, when they get to a stage, the fake ones, when they get to a stage that they know that they can move on, they will think of else that let me say something to the person so that the person will hear it and run away. But I'm telling you the fact, most spiritualists and most pastors, if somebody's in a desperate mood, even if he said, go and chop you the pastor, the mother head and bring it, you go and bring it.
Correct.
That time you yourself, wait, can you see human being head? Someone chop human being, put his back, bring it, and open it and see it. Master, I beg you go run. Even your spirit go day top. The very day I see spirit, I stood there, I cried till daybreak. Not of dead body. If they ask me that I should sleep with a dead body, even as a spiritualist, unless I perform sacrifice before I go sleep with a dead person. What kills the person? Do I know? If I sleep with the person get up and slap me, and I'll do what? Tell you should go and bring human being. Go and bring the head of human being. Go and bring the hand of human being. Am I going to use the hand and eat food? The human being hand. Am I going to use and eat food? I don't get hand. I don't have my own hand. So most times it's just ignorance. Who can tell you? Most times they believe that when they say that the person will run away. I'm telling you, somebody is a desperate mood. Even when you say food body, he will bring the food body to you. That's the time that you go and call police station. Police come, somebody this. That time one, you have collected his money. You were not able to do the work. Instead of him to tell him the truth and let him go and pray, and God will return him back where he is one day. You will bring police will arrest him, put him life imprisonment. That time you have destroyed the future of the person. And do you think that you go to heaven? You can never go to heaven. You will never have peace. They say that when you throw a ball onto a wall, that it will surely come back to you. If it doesn't take your children to come, it will take your grandchildren to come. Mark it on the wall. Every spiritualist and pastor. But sometimes I listen to, maybe most time I hear that there are fake pastors. There are fake pastors and they are correct ones. I heard that by TB Joshua, he passed away, and TB Joshua is a devil worshipper. When you go to his church and TB Joshua heal you, will you tell him that he's a devil worshipper? When you go to the hospital and the doctor heal you, or the doctor treats you with your sickness, your HIV, is the doctor who put the HIV in your body? Who called the doctor? Oh, no, the doctor treats you because you have HIV. Do you tell the doctor is the devil worshipper? Do you know what the doctor did before he was able to treat you? Do you know what the doctor had in his house before he went and prayed and came and treat you? Never. So most times we human beings, we believe that maybe whatever good that happened on human life, it is a devil.
it is the work of the devil. God can't do good unless bad. That's why we human beings we hold. Hereafter, we will stand till daybreak. We will stand and cry hereafter. People that we look, we underestimate, will be the first hierarchy that will go to heaven. The people that were seeing that they were good malam, they were good pastors, they were dead pastors, I'm telling you, they will be the last batch. Last batch to go to heaven. Even though the hellfire will take them before they will go to heaven. But the only thing I have for people is that who do this, my work, this spiritualists, pastors and malams. I'm telling you, when you are working with somebody, I've been working with people. Somebody can come with $5,000, maybe $2,000, $3,000, maybe $7,000 or $7,000 even more than that. And I start the work. And I get the work I have started. The person had a problem. And the problem, not the one who gave the person the problem. He had the problem before he came to me. I will tell you that you have a problem. Master, go back and solve the problem and come and we'll solve the work. If the person is proven, I take from my own pocket money, add it to the person money, return it back to the person. Go to any spiritual who can help you. I can help you. Yes. Meet me here, Juman. Because I won't force myself and get to a stage where I'll be stuck. And I'll tell you, go and bring him my head. And I can't, even when I see the Imam, I'll run away. So most times, when you are doing with somebody's work, both spiritual, anything, and you reach a stage, you yourself wanted to help the person, but it is beyond, you can't. You tell the person the truth. I can't help you. What can we do to solve the problem? That is all. I'll tell you I can't solve the problem. I'm not God. What can we do to solve the problem? Oh, chief, is somebody's man? Is what? I'll tell you, okay, no problem. I'm the spiritualist. I will know what to do. I'll pick from my own pocket money, add it to the money that is remaining, give it back to you. Go to any spiritual who can help you. So that I'll be exceptional. Because I also want to go to heaven. I'll never reach a stage that I'll tell you, go and bring somebody's body. Go and bring somebody, and to be a problem for me and you. Never. If you bring somebody's body, that means that I have led you to harm. And tomorrow, when they question you, you mention my name. God question you, mention my name. And we'll stand in front of God. What will I tell God? That place, there's no money, but there's money. I can sell my car and give you that money. I can sell my house and give you the money. And I'm also hoping for heaven. Yeah. But where I will go and there's no returns, there's no money for me to return the work. There's no money for me to return your money back to you. It is my good deed that somebody will take. No. Even my good deed, I'll be waiting for my children. If my good deed is plenty, I will wait for my children to carry if they have something small. And I'll add them for them to go to heaven. So that they will not question them. But I'll not wait for somebody that I don't know. Just saw Chief Nazali came to me and I collect your 20 million. 20 million, how much is 20 million? How much do I eat? How much do I drink? How much do I give to my people? No. I will tell you the truth. So if all malams and if pastors and if spiritualists know this, I'm telling you, we would have been the most highest respected people on this earth. Even doctor would have kneeled down in front of spiritualists. But today we have turned to spiritual aspect into deceiving people because of the stomach. And the stomach, when you consume, you go to toilet, you can't leave it. That means that there's no of use. Tell the person the truth, and one day you see the person, and you can shake hands. I'm telling you, people have come and have returned their money back to them, and they have told me that when they have started spiritual work aspect, none spiritualists have ever returned their money back to them. Yes, I can mention their names. Yes, when you throw them like tomorrow, your grandchild also go to another spiritualist. They will not throw him, they will take hammer and hit his head. And he will die and they will bring him back to your house. So whatever you do, you are doing it for yourself. That's what I always say. When you do good, you go and meet it. When you do bad, you will go and meet the bad. That is the only thing I always use to differentiate those who do this work and accept me. I don't say maybe I'm the best spiritualist. But I always look at myself. Since I started this work, I've never argued with anybody. I have never argued. When you come to the community, they will tell you I'm highly respected. I'm also a chief title holder. And I'll never let somebody 2 cedi or 1 cedi de-respect me who I am. Because reduce me, never. I will not do that. I will tell you the truth and will follow the truth and get to the achievement all of us need. But when the truth is very hard, I will return whatever it is hard for you. Go to another person who can't tell you the truth, and the person will do the work for you, but I can't do the work for you. It's simple. That's how I do my work.
It's here for some make Nana oye 1 in a million. Nana say the entire you fake pastors and fake spiritualists and they say most of them are not legit. They do not appreciate what they are doing. And in this okono pa wo chan tro no wo chagu nanim wo chagu anim as a blocks no wo cha obekwa ko pempe wo ta wo che ensan wo ko anim en continue wa pem no waka ho enti na wo kwa nipa no aka che wo sesei na na pa che sese wo ko bi nchen ono wo ba ne nchen wo de wo hawa ba ne nchen na se ohwe na ohaw no o ya ade na ma no wo se nkwansidie bi wo ho na onim se ade wo eyemfumso no waye enti na ntimi ma nkoso a obeka che wo se ko na kokko ya ade we ebia wo no wo fie nipa bi wo ntokwa no wabasa nana me pese wo gotu agudie ma me nana beka che wo se ko na wo no wo nana wo ya wo ne nka no wo ne nko kasa ansa na wa bai san se ebia ono ne honhom ene ejina ade na no enti ni nana ka che se e wo se wo de no kre ene ya adwuma nana sisi baby a yedru no eye saa asem we so no eye me de eye me fe se me bisa na na wo ho a esan se enkrofo azankrofo papa omo azankrofo uti TV so be huna konfo bia bo blue no bia bo black chese bidie no wa yam no de afana nim no de ho wo se me ye instant money nana instant money no me pese wo chire mu wo bie mu bura kona bia say instant money no we soon yeso assign na instant money no etie
almost instant money no e ya mamre ena amane na be ya dia matumi. If only you have the spirit when the spirit no want me na mamre eno so wona mamre kwanya betima afaso anse na wanye de no pe most times you want to me maybe me kwa bonte I want to flash people money. Maybe I want to play. I want to let people enjoy what I can do.
Yes.
I will tell the spirit I want to exhibit for the people to see. That one, people can't consume it. I exhibit. Even when I exhibit and you pick it and put it in your pocket. If you are some people who pick it and chew the end of it and remove, they will cut it. It doesn't belong to you, it belongs to you. Even when child younger side to go, when the time is due, it will go from your pocket. You can't have access to it. It's for display for people to see. Most times somebody will come. If I'm a player, maybe I'm a dancer. In my village, we do festivals and we want to perform actions so that people will see and enjoy. He will say that to you and you do the work for him. Tomorrow next you see him on a Plus TV, on a media.
Or
comfort.
Oh.
So that kind of person, even when he display, it cannot consume. Not to talk of him doing it for you to consume it. How can you consume it? So because he has not opened boldly to the person. Maybe I want to do a spiritual work. One fan of crowd about. Or can you say he's a play? Maybe he's a dancer. There are festivals in his village and they want to exhibit and people enjoy. Son of a country. Now I'm a young man. At the end of the day, you see him on a social media as a spiritualist. That person, at the end of the day, that is what will happen.
Not just a baby, as any free, no, that's how.
Definitely, definitely. Because one young mamre, I drew a mamre, the nature said, the point will contribute scan. He has not reached that level. He has not reached the stage where he will offer sacrifice. And the person will have access to the money.
Nana, entina ya obi say makwa ye sofu we ana manu we ya betiche sika we e medical ofie na adan paper.
Na adan papers.
Oh.
So most time obi can you know say maybe wa first carry go fie scanner adan pure water. Pure water no fire.
Ebi kura dan samna.
Abi adan samna na free. No we find am ko wuru nyawa.
Azuma trade ni.
We ba samna ko wuru nyawa. Most time when you are leaving the place, maybe on people can say maybe who coffee from the first beginning. When he's telling you, maybe when you get to the house, you don't open the bar, you don't do this and do this. Sometimes ignorance. Who first go for one guy? If you put your money, your own money, and put it in your pocket, when will you get up and say that the money has turned to paper? Has money turned to paper before?
You didn't say that.
Never. So if it is paper, just know that the day you were leaving the person place, it was paper that you took home. When it's pure water, he bought the pure water, maybe full, it was
Plenty is a room. You didn't know where to
No,
put
you be man.
No, you be man. Fuck.
Maybe I will corner to come to crowd.
And then over to manage. And yes, it's me. I'm telling you, you can't offer sacrifice to spirit, and spirit will return back to you never. Spirit don't know. I beg you, forgive me. Spirit don't know it. When you offer sacrifice and tell the spirit, this is what I want, spirit will never disappoint you. He will give you exactly what you want. You see, most time people say, maybe people go mad. I'm telling you, when most time these game boys, those who browse, they'll come to you. I want to make money. I'll give sheep, I'll give goat. I'm telling you, even the white man give you full mansion, money. The spirit will help you to consume it and finish. When they finish, even one time, you haven't seen them selling their cars, selling their motorbike, selling this. The vow that they will put in place in front of spirit. When human being is in a situation, he's desperate. He can say anything that he wants. But after he get what he wants, he turn his back because he has made it. Do you know the second thing he's doing? He's following women, enjoying life, drinking, doing whatever thing he wants, forgetting that he took a vow. That is the reason why when spirit says that when you come to me to seek for help, you have to come but nothing but the truth. Because by the time that you sit in front of the spirit knows who you are. He knows your father. He knows your mother. He knows your grandfather. The time they met and even gave birth to you, the spirit already identified that day. Before he will now commence what you want to him. So if a spirit gives you something, there's no day the spirit will return it back. You take it back from you, never. Unless you and him bargain for something. Somebody can come and tell you that, chief, when I make money, I want to tell the spirit that I'll give my mother to you. I say, you give your mother. Then let your mother come. Who will use you so that your mother will take the money? And you say, oh, chief, oh, that one, it's not possible. So your mother own is possible. Have you seen the vow that he's taking? Because at that moment, he's desperate. But when the time is due for him to bring his mother, can he bring the mother? Can you tell your mother and say, mother, let's go here. I made money. I want to give you to the spiritualist and I'll continue enjoying the money. Your mother will say, yes, I came this world before you, but I want you to go before me. Yes. So most times, spirit will you'll never do anything good for spirit. And spirit will return back to you, never. Unless you place a vow. And the vow is being revoked by you in particular. Spirit has never failed human being. If somebody will tell maybe, can you say maybe, spirit failed human being? I'm telling spirit has never failed human being. Yes. Spirit, when you collect spirit, every year you have to renew. When you have this what do they call it? Maybe your WhatsApp. It will get it that you update or upgrade it or something like that. Why do you do that? What you are doing, are they not picking your credit? They are picking. They are picking. Why didn't you leave it? Because if you leave it, you go off. You are doing it because you want it to still be on active. That is how spirit is. If you possess spirit in you, you always have to keep it active. You can't just collect spirit and put it down for 1 year, tell me that it is active and you are sitting down enjoying. They'll beat and kill you.
Therefore, send an nice year no. Me say me ka say papa we che say woni madwuma num wa bin wo ono aya no kana asem bi say adwuma we enye school enye certificate he your friends no we hu a e be miss call message kura anya wo nya no we ready enti nana no wa bin wo enti say wo numbers na full screen so no fa na friend nana wo ne nchiche nkomo nana e pa kire say eye honhomu adwuma no e your friend. Se winimu nti instant money no ewo ho ewo amane ne amane ewo se wo ye na instant money no na na so ba che se wo ko obi nchen na wo discount ma na o ka che wo se sika na wo je no wo ko imenko biye so emie so okwan fadu fie wo du fie a 3 days ni wo biye so wo be kwa ko biye so na ye mo wo biye so na ye mo sa na che se ne no wa no edi ni sa na bende ansa na ye de ye dwumade ni nyina be kwa ewie no nana e pese mi bisa wo chese wo wonsem bi etwa to a pese etiefo ti ana
me wa sem bebre ankasa bad me betwa na kitwa ade amatiefo maybe wo to anamon e ko be nchen fa no kre into anamon anokora na echi no if nyame pɛ wono de nipa no bɛbate no musa bɛka de na wopɛ but wotu anamɔ na wankasa you are not stable you ankasa you don't know what you are about you can never get what you want maybe we call nipa no nkyɛn as a spiritualist as a malam as a pastor it's everything that on this earth work on belief. Even wusum nyame, if you are standing in front of Jesus, praying to Jesus and you don't believe Jesus, what Jesus mind? Jesus feel. Even wujina Prophet Muhammad, ne mangasa, no preachy, and you don't have the faith for Prophet Muhammad, whatever he says, you never believe it. Even when you are a spiritualist, and you come to me and I'm saying whatever I'm doing, and you don't believe it, it will never work. That is how, even when you stand in front of God Almighty, and you don't believe what God is saying, or in the books of Quran, in the books of Bible, and you don't believe it, even when you stand in front of God, you don't believe it. So whatever, utu anamon, it's a unkita nukre, eni jidie, eni akukudru. Na wan usaintiminka den ope. Ubami chief na zaleho. The only numbers I have is 054 022442. And my Vodafone line is 050 78 50050. That is the only number I use. If you call me in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, you see me. People call me and say that, Chief, you don't sleep. All of us can go to sleep. If you are sleeping and I'm also sleeping and I'm also sleeping, who will take care of this world? God says that I'm the owner of this world, but I have choose people to sit and look after it for me again. That is why we have chief people, we have chieftains, we have policemen. Policemen is not everybody who sleep. It's not soldier men, it's not everybody who sleep. But all of them can go to sleep. But why are they out? Because it is their duty to take good care of we human beings who go to sleep. In terms of spiritual, in terms of malams, in terms of bypastors, it's not everybody of us who go to sleep. We have to be awake whilst others go to sleep. So if you call me in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, if you call me and I don't pick, I might be working. And if I'm working, nothing interferes me. If you call me 1, 2, and I don't pick, I might be working. When I finish, I'll call you back. If I don't call you back, later when you are free, you can also call me back again. All the success that we believe, all the success that we wish for ourselves, God should give it to us. The land is very hot. God should cool it for us. The president, God should give him the head to carry us. Whatever he will do, and the world, the Ghana will go for it. God should show him the knowledge. God should give him the power, the wisdom. All the cabinet that will follow him, God should give him the head that he will carry all of us. Because he's the one who is carrying us. So that Ghana will be a peaceful place for us to live. An enjoyable place for us. And young guys will be driving big cars. Land Cruiser, G-Wagon, Brabus. The latest cars Americans will do. We'll go there and buy them and bring them to Ghana. That is what we all pray for. I wish everybody the best of luck in life.
You, Nana, you better was see. You better was a pa. For. Just say, you didn't see her. Muni mosum for Nancy Brown. He said, Viviania, Bessanso, a banana as soon yena betching como. Until then, ciao.